Good morning, hot dogs. Welcome back to the fun. We're doing it real big at the Hoover Dam. It is July 3rd, 2026. Shout out to Jesus. God bless America. Look at that. Look at that. Isn't that special? Before I turn the camera around, look at all the chaos that we had to go through in order to get here tonight. Check it out. The pain that we go through to look for the fun. It is chaos over here with the traffic. I almost gave up, turned around, but parked the car somewhere and started walking. We're almost there. I don't understand what's the backup over there. There's plenty of parking over here, but the people coming in are going to the first parking station and just making a big backup. And little do they know, if they just like skip that and keep going, there's parking over there. That's where I wanted to park, but they made it so impossible to drive through. Like, you can see the traffic. There's no traffic on the other side. That's where I was traveling, but there was no way we could get through. And then I was like thinking, maybe there's no parking over here. That's why I was like, maybe there's no parking. That's why everybody's building up that much traffic. But no, plenty of parking. If I would have just kept going. But here we are. Oh, we're almost there. Wow, look at the stars over here. It's all lit up on the mountain. Super cool. It looks so red, white, and blue. Looks amazing. Look at the towers over there. Those little mini ones. All right. Here's a better view. Wow, look, we're in DCA, Cars Land. Where's Lightning McQueen at? All right, so we got some stars over there. Okay, the stars moved from there to next to the American flag over there. That's awesome.
Okay, here, better picture.
Super cool. Extreme close up. Whoa. And those little towers down there, they look amazing as well. Did an awesome job. Damn. There's some more over here. It looks so nice over here. I'm telling you, over there is chaos. I don't know what's going on, but wow. We should maybe drive by. Well, thanks for joining. I wanted you to check it out with me. I think it was amazing what they did here. A little windy. It's hot. It's really hot. I think it's like 90 to 100 degrees right now out here. Imagine during the day. You guys like it? If you're enjoying the fun shows by using your thumb, like, share, and subscribe. Hit the like button, smash it, do what you gotta do, comment if you like. Bye, guys.
Bye.
Hey, where'd the stars go? We're back over there on the side of the mountain. Nice. I love it. I love it. Over here, when we got here, there was some cars parked where they're not supposed to. It is so annoying. Bunch of cars still trying to get to that first lot for some reason. Ooh, restrooms. See if it's open. It's about 35 to 45 minutes, give or take, to get here from my hotel room. Not gonna lie, in there, don't go in there unless you really have to. It's a 35-45 minute drive, so I used it. It stinks like communism. When something doesn't belong to you and nobody cares, like a Buc-ee's would not be that bad. That's communism right there. If you want an example of communism, you go in there and you find out. All right, leaving the parking. There's a crosswalk right here, and that's about it. That's it. After this, all smooth sailing. That's the headache right here, just trying to get in here. There should be some kind of parking enforcement, letting people know, hey, go further down. I don't know what's the big deal about this parking lot only. I found parking. Look at that. One lane coming this way, 2 lanes leaving. That's the other big issue. Good luck, hot dogs. You're gonna need it.